Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for joining us on today's episode. In today's episode, I want to show how to cut plantain and banana, most especially the green ones, because of the nature of it. So, this is my knife and this is my bowl. By my left is plantain and by my right is banana. So, I'm going to show you how to professionally cut the plantain. First of all, you cut this and you cut the head. Okay, then you use your knife. You see how I put my hand. The reason why you need to put your hand so that it will not go astray. It must go smoothly and not too deep. If it goes too deep, it will not the skin of the plantain will not come out properly. Okay, so very simple. You do it like this. You can do this. You have to do it in 3 places. Okay, so as you see, that's the second one and this is the third. The essence of my left thumbnail is to guide the knife. So after said and done, then you put your knife like this. You can see how easy it's coming out, very smooth. You can do this for the second layer. You see, very simple. For the third one, because if you put your hand too much in the plantain, it will look as if it's becoming gummy. You can see, simple and neat. If there's any remaining remnants, you can just peel it off. So this is for the first one. I'm going to repeat it so you watch. You cut off the tail, cut off the head. So you don't let it go too deep. Okay, you repeat this. Okay, so for the third one, so now time to unveil our plantain. Hey, very smooth and very easy. So that is the end of the plantain. You can see, very neat and easy. So I'm going to switch to the banana. So this is for banana. Banana one is, banana is a bit soft, so you don't put too much pressure on it. So this is like 30 or 33%, just in 3 places. Okay, banana is very soft. It goes too deep. Such things like this will happen. So that is for that. Clean up the remnants. So this is how to peel plantain professionally. Okay, very easy way to peel your plantain and banana, your green plantain and green bananas. Okay, very easy. So these are the plantain, very smooth and very easy. This is plantain, okay, and these are my bananas. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, drop it in the comment section if you have any better way to peel the green banana and green plantain. Okay, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Easy way to peel your green plantain and banana. Thank you.